In Decathlon stores you can get a huge variety of sport and outdoor articles. We bought a pair of cycling or running gloves. They are cheap and the price for these is €6. The fingertips are coated with conductive fabric on the thumb and index finger, which allows you to use your smartphone or any other touchscreen without taking off your gloves. Let's put them on. They are very tight and hard to get on the first time. Now we are going to try the sensitive touchscreen fingertips on a smartphone. It works not bad, and much better than with thick gloves. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.